How to add a stroke to an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Begin by importing your image into Photoshop, then come over to the Layers panel and double click on your image layer. This is going to bring up this layer style window, and within here you will see the option to add a stroke. Click onto this. This is going to enable it and bring you into the stroke settings. By default, this will default to whatever settings stroke you have used previously. As you can see, mine is a little bit extreme. So if you come into the structure, we can see that the size slider either increases or decreases the size of the stroke. You're going to have to configure this to suit your own project's needs. Next, for position, you can choose between outside, inside, or center. Outside goes from the outside of your image, inside goes from the inside of your image, and center is a middle ground using both the inside and the outside. Choose one that suits you. If you're going for a traditional stroke blend mode, you'll want to set this to normal. However, you can also play around with the different options if you were going for a different look. For opacity, you can increase or decrease the opacity of the stroke depending on what you are trying to achieve for your project. Next, we can configure the fill type. So we have color, gradient, or pattern. Choose one that suits what you want for your project. For this example, we're going to go for color, and if you click into this box, you can customize what color it is. Let's go for white for this example. Once you're happy with the color, click OK, and with all of that configured, we can choose OK and come out of that panel. If at any point in time you want to change the stroke, you can just come back into this effect by double clicking on it. It will bring you to that same window. You can make your changes and then choose OK again, and that's all there is to it.